Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with PostgreSQL on AWS RDS using SSL and IAM. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with PostgreSQL on AWS RDS using SSL and IAM, begin by gathering your prerequisites. Ensure you have an active AWS account with the necessary permissions to access RDS. Select the PostgreSQL instance you wish to connect to within the AWS RDS console. Next, enable IAM database authentication on your RDS instance if it's not already enabled. Go to your database's details and locate the configuration section. Click on the Modify button and scroll down to the Database Authentication section. Choose Password in IAM to allow IAM-based authentication and apply the changes. After making changes, restart your RDS instance to ensure they take effect. Download the Amazon RDS root certificate from the AWS documentation website. This root certificate is necessary for establishing a secure SSL connection. Store the certificate in a secure location on your machine. Next, install the PostgreSQL client if you haven't done so already. You can install it using package managers like Homebrew for macOS or apt for Ubuntu. Once installed, you can create an IAM policy that allows users to connect to the RDS instance. Define the policy by specifying the necessary actions like RDSDB connect. Attach this policy to the IAM user or role that requires database access. Now, retrieve the IAM user's access key and secret access key. Use these credentials to generate a temporary authentication token. You can generate this token using the AWS CLI command, AWS RDS generate dbauth token. Specify the hostname of your RDS instance, the port, username, and the region. Make sure to include the region option to point to the correct AWS region. Once the token is generated, open your terminal and connect to the PostgreSQL instance using SSL. Use the command psql host equals your underscore RDS underscore instance underscore endpoint port equals 5432 name equals your Replace the placeholders with your actual RDS endpoint, database name, username, and root certificate path. Finally, paste the generated authentication token into the password prompt. You should now be connected to your PostgreSQL database securely using SSL and IAM authentication. To verify the connection, you can run simple SQL queries to ensure that everything is functioning correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully authenticated with PostgreSQL on AWS RDS using SSL and IAM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.